Here's what's new on real estate training for the month of August 2024. Well, we're all in the countdown to the NAR settlement, so be sure to check out our commission lawsuits curriculum for how to respond. Just before I shot this, I saw a CNN article saying the worst may be over for home buyers. I'm hearing that the absorption rates are extending a little bit, starting to be better for buyers. So perhaps this glimpse of good news will start bringing confidence to the market. But you know what? It's your job to connect with your clients and prospects to bring the good news to them. And that leads to our completely updated video, KFT60, Business Planning to Increase Your Income. In this video, we focus on the business side of real estate, the part that computes the relationship between income and lead generation behavior. And with this information, you'll be able to project your future business as well as analyze your previous production. I also review the 4 ways to increase your income, which are unit fee, increasing your average sale price; profitability, maintaining your fee, keeping your commission at its required level; number 3 is efficiency, which is converting more appointments; and finally, frequency, just securing more appointments. The support materials include 2 Excel spreadsheets, the Agent Income Planning Worksheet and the Agent Production Analysis Worksheet. And these tools will help you do the math of computing the required lead generation to achieve your income goal and analyzing your past production to create a plan to go forward. And check out the tutorial videos that lead you through the 2 worksheets step by step. By the way, last month's Real Estate Live 55 tiered commission pricing is getting some great reviews. And as I've said over the years, everybody worries about, cutting my commission, how do I keep it up here? You know, maybe you raise it. Maybe you come up with an X+1 option. And then if they don't like it, they end up with the fee that you were charging prior to that. So again, go back to Real Estate Live 55. I think it'll change the way you communicate with your sellers. And if you work with buyers, check out the Convert Buyers to Sales Global Action Plan. Enroll yourself by going to Action Plans, My Action Plans, and Convert Buyers to Sales. Then you'll have all the skills to interact with your buyers in this post-settlement world. So in closing, I want to say thank you for watching this video and for being members of Real Estate Training by DavidKnox.com.